very dramatic version of the flame test demonstration here. First we have alcohol burning blue, then we have some barium chloride with the barium ions burning a dirty yellow color. Then we have boron being green, strontium giving us the crimson red color. Next is calcium giving us the orange. Not showing up very well here in the next one, but the red tints inside of that orange there's some impurities there. That is lithium. Next we have sodium giving us a characteristic yellow flame. Then we have copper with its green color. And finally potassium with the purple or lilac shade.